What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today this is something different I've never done. It's our backyard. Oh, little Joe. Yeah, this is my dog Molly. She been following me. Alright, I'm going to tell you the truth again. Wherever I go, she follows me. Alright, so we're not talking about that. We're talking about our backyard. There's my dad there. If you can see the chair. Alright, so I know I'm like this, but igloo. Alright, so I'm sick, guys. You do the no sound. That means I'm sick, cause yeah, but just get the video. Alright, so it's like I'm going to show you how it's like. Alright, you better be ready, guys. Guys, I realize it's smoking. Oh my god. Smoking. Oh, blue. See where the chairs come from? Alright, you want to see our pool? Alright, you better be ready, guys. Boom! Look, it has a little. What is that? What's that behind it? Oh my god, it's a new one! Oh my god! Alright, so we have the little fishies. Oh, those were the dog What? Okay. You evil dog. Evil dog. Alright. So my battery's going on now, guys. Get a phone. Don't lick the camera, okay? Don't lick the camera, okay? You lick the camera. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be right back to clean it. Oh my god. You little cheeky godness. Alright, guys, I'm back. I cleaned it already, so. Oh, my sister's. Oh, shit. Alright, so. That's where the. Well, I can't show it the TV. Alright. So. No, please don't lick the thing. Alright. So we're going back here again. But can you guys guess what it is? Igloo! The igloos is as well named doghouse because look it. It's compared with the dog, igloo. It's not cold like if you breathe in and breathe out or feel it the cold. It's not cold. Alright. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. if you do please give a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.